Hello everyone, welcome to the Website Developer YouTube channel. My name is Ajinkya Sehwag and I am a web developer. Today I will show you how to create a YouTube clone using HTML and CSS. So let's get started. Now let's set up our project. Create a new folder for our YouTube clone. Put some images in images folder. Images providing you in description box. Let's open main folder in our Visual Studio Code editor. Just right click and click open with code option. Now create two files, index.html and styles.css. Just click on new file option and create files. These will be our HTML and CSS files. Next, let's build the HTML structure for our YouTube clone. Open index.html and add the following code. Now let's add some styles To make our YouTube clone like realyoutube.com, open styles.css and add the following code. Finally, let's test our YouTube clone. Open index.html file in our browser. So right click in index.html file and click open with live server option, and you see our YouTube clone become a youtube.com. That is for today's video. We build a YouTube clone. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe my channel for more web development content. Thanks for watching and continuous coding.